Welcome back, car enthusiasts, to Car Release TV. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about: the 2025 Ford Pinto. Yes, you heard that right. Ford is bringing back the iconic Pinto, and it's looking sharper, bolder, and more thrilling than ever. Stick around as we dive into all the jaw-dropping details of this modern-day classic. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your fellow car lovers. You won't want to miss out on any future car releases and reviews. Now, let's talk about what first catches your eye: the design. Ford has perfectly captured the essence of the original Pinto while giving it a 21st century makeover. The familiar sloping roofline and sporty stance are still there, but the lines are sharper, more aggressive. The bold front grille, paired with those sleek LED headlights, screams modern sophistication while paying homage to its retro roots. Moving inside, you'll be surprised by how far the Pinto has come. Remember the compact, cozy feel of the original? Not anymore. The 2025 Pinto offers spacious seating with ample legroom and headroom for both driver and passengers, making long drives a breeze. And the materials? Top of the line. We're talking premium leather seats with brushed aluminum accents, giving you a cabin that feels both luxurious and comfortable. Tech lovers, this is where the Pinto truly shines. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen infotainment system, fully equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're navigating the city or jamming to your favorite tunes, it's all at your fingertips. But what about performance? Well, Ford has made sure the 2025 Pinto isn't just a pretty face. The base model comes with a turbocharged 1.5L EcoBoost engine, perfect for daily commutes and city driving. If you're craving more power, opt for the 2.3L EcoBoost, delivering over 300 horsepower. And there's even buzz about a hybrid version in the works. No matter which engine you choose, the Pinto promises a thrilling driving experience. With a finely tuned suspension system and a lightweight chassis, the handling is razor-sharp, and the ride is exhilarating. As for the release date, we're hearing rumors that Ford plans to drop the 2025 Pinto in September 2024. While these are insider reports for now, we can't wait for the official announcement. The 2025 Ford Pinto is set to turn heads, blending classic nostalgia with modern performance. Will it live up to the hype? You'll have to stick around to find out. So make sure you're subscribed for more updates on this exciting release. Thanks for watching Car Release TV.